Guys, Nikki here, and I have a full dedicated video for my first wig. You guys know how I feel about their bang wigs, so I decided to bring you guys this layered bang wig that you're gonna love. So if you're interested, please continue to watch. Alright guys, let's hop straight into the packaging. My first wig, quality wigs for beginners. There's a wig stand in here. Let's open it up and see what's in the box. There's a bag. You have 2 clips in here to clip your hair back when you're styling it. There's also a rat tail comb in here. I love this comb. It's heat resistant. In the end, it's metal. So this is all of the information. It is silky texture, 14 inches, Malaysian hair. It is natural black. Cap size is small. And this is a 13 by 6. So it came with a wig cap. I love that color. And it also came with the actual wig, of course. So this is it. Like I said, it's silky, it's layered. This is a full lace wig, so you can glue it down, but I'm going to wear it glueless. There are 2 combs on the side. There's an adjustable strap so that I will be able to wear it glueless. There's a comb at the back with an adjustable strap and more lace to wear it up. Alright guys, this is literally like a 1-minute install, but I had to make the video to show you guys the greatness of the wig, so I'm just putting it on right here. So let's talk about My First Wig. It's a great website for beginner wig users. You don't have to worry about all the extra cutting and gluing. Like, all of their wigs are so easy to apply, and they are having Black Friday early birds specials and sales all the way out through Black Friday. You're gonna catch a deal up to 25% off different sales. So just check back on the website periodically to see what the sales are. So I'm gonna cut the ear tabs off, even though I'm wearing it glueless, just so it'll fit better. So this is the Bangs with Layers Wolf Cut Glueless Human Hair Invisible Lace Front Wig. Okay, there's bangs on here that I love. There's layers on here, and it's just a very bum wig. Like I said, natural color, 14 inches, silky. The density is 160. I'm combing it down so I can tame the flyaways at the top. Put a little bit of your spray on the comb to help with that as well, and then go in with like a hot comb, but I use the back of my flat iron. So this wig is invisible melted lace, pre-plucked hairline, light bleach knots, free parting, adjustable strap, and elastic band, and you can wear this in a high bun ponytail. You can get the simple packaging with the box satin bag cap, or you can opt out to do extra. So this wig is only like $120 with all of the discounts, and you can do afterpay, which means you can split your payment up into 4. I love this wig, guys. It's a snug fit glueless wig. I'm just sitting up here combing through trying to find stuff to do to show y'all to make the video, but it's a great wig. It's not expensive. Only thing, I wish my bangs was a little fuller, but I'm gonna work on that in a second. Okay, so yeah, I love this wig. Like I said, this bob is just, oh my gosh, I love me a bob wig. They're so simple, they're so easy to put on, and of course you guys know I love my first wig. Okay, so right here I'm just trying to see what I want to do, guys. Do I want to cut some more bangs? And on these bang wigs, I don't ever hardly cut my bangs. I just scoot it back a little bit, y'all, but I am going to end up cutting anyway because I'm going to cut some more bangs into it. So here's some extra services you can add. You can do it where you can pre-cut the lace, where they will pre-cut the lace. You can do an extra deep plucked hairline, an extra deep bleach, or the Maria's fake scalp, but all of that is extra. You can check that out over on the website. Okay, so you guys, I'm going to go ahead and take some more of this hair out and cut some more bangs out. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. Just take your scissors, snip snip, make it match with the rest. I'm using the back of this so this will lay flat. I already used the wax stick and everything I used doing these hair tutorials. I link it at the bottom of the video for you guys, right up under the hair company information. All right, so we're taking the scissors right here. We're just gonna cut this. I'm not gonna do too much cutting. I just wanted the bangs to be just a little bit fuller, and this was an easy step too, and it was optional. It was very optional, guys. So I'm coming through it, and then I'm just gonna flat iron through it so I can see what I'm working with after I cut just a little bit more, child. So So I'm like infamous for these Myfirstwig bang wigs. I don't know what it is about them. I just love them so much. I just love them. I love the quality. I love the quality of their wigs, especially for the price. They are very inexpensive. So like I said, I'm going through with the flat iron, trying to see what I'm working with, and that's really it. I didn't even have to curl or bump through the hair because it's already layered. Now, of course, you can go back in. You can pin this up. You can put some curls in it. You can flat iron it some more. But it's already layered. It's full of body. It's not weighed down. And I absolutely love it. So like I said, y'all, all of the information about Myfirstwig, the Black Friday sales they will be having, all of the information about my discount code, their website, the hair, all of that will be right below the video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this wig. Let me know if you guys like this bang wig, and I will see you all in my next video.